Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for our practical Hakka on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong.
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we got to teach you something that is so basic. I can't believe we never taught this here on Practical Hakka. 一直都没有教人家打电话怎么说。大天发，对不对？打电话 making calls is something we do every day. Every time I see Alice, she's always on the phone. And I hear her talk on the phone. And now I want to learn exactly how do you speak like a Hakka on the phone.Okay.
来，
好，in Taiwan, a lot of time it's Mr. Chen, right? So 我们就来教教。请问陈先生在吗 ？Is Mr. Chen there?
请问陈先生有在吗？
请问就是
请问
ask 陈先生。
陈先生。
陈先生，先生 is Mr. Okay. 陈先生 is Mr. Chen. Is he there?
有在吗？
有在吗 ？Okay. One more time.
请问陳先生有在嗎？
請問陳先生有在嗎？Oh, okay. And of course, the person who's answering could say, no, he's not here. 他不在。
佢冇在。
佢冇在。聽起來是去買菜，去買菜啊。
咩啊
It sounds like you went shopping.
那是去買菜。
去買菜，有可能啊，他不在，去買菜啊。
那就佢冇在，去買菜。
There you go. That means he's not here. He went shopping. Okay. It just sounded like that. Okay. Now, perhaps he is here. So you're going to say, yeah, he's here. Please hold.
有在。請等一下。
有在。然後請等一下，對不對？有在。
請等一下。
請等一下。That means please wait. And then, the caller, of course, could also ask, who's calling, right? 通常會問說，那請問是哪裡找呢？
請問瑪莎請記。
瑪莎，誰是瑪莎？
就是哪一位啊？
哪一位是瑪莎？瑪莎。
哪裡找啊？
瑪莎 is who? Okay, so, 請問哪裡找？再一次。
請問瑪莎請記。
請問瑪莎請記。
找他。
Okay. Or you could say, who are you? 你是哪一位？
請問是瑪莎。
又是瑪莎了，瑪莎好紅哦。再講一次。請問
是瑪莎。
請問是瑪莎。那我們教的都是四線嘛，那如果是海陸的話，
好，來一句海陸哈，請問你哪位？請問你是瑪莎？
變你不是
對，
你。請問你是瑪莎 ？Okay, that's another dialect of saying it. So that's our basic conversation on the phone. I hope you learned something today on our practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.